Good afternoon to all. Hi. Hi na si Gabriel.
Good afternoon. Walang pamirindahan dyan.
Walang pamirindahan.
Ayan, nakakarotary naman. Walang pamirindahan dyan. Nakakarotary.
Nakakaroon ano yung merindahan taas?
Ano naman?
Ano tiyangan ang gusto mo tiyangan? Ngayon ba mas kinanalo lang? Biscuit, sige o biscuit.
Ako, burger. Ako, burger. Ako, burger. Ako, gusto ko burger.
Yan, gusto mo burger?
Hanapin mo lang.
Hindi rin man ito.
Rata. Rata.
Mabakal ito biskuit. Doon mabakal. Nanang gusto mo na biskuit. Nanang gusto. Abot ka kan ano ka natitiyang.
Bigyan ko sa'yo mga bata. Mga barakal ka mo.
O, yan itiyang sa iyo.
Hoy! Mulatin mo kami! Mulatin mo kami!
Hi!
Kabita tiyan, kabita.
Kabita ka rin na raw. Ang mula matutukuhamin. Baga na daw daw sa sila.
Pag kinakain aso at
Kanila sa
kandila.
kanila lahat.
May 50 dito rin. Kahit ko alam na kami, nakakaya naman sa inyo. Good afternoon. Nano? Ano? Biskuit lang. Salamat. Thank you sa 2 million. Bahayin. Oh, kaya na. Kanan, Bibi. Ay, bantay si Bibi. Ako na, binakalan. Bantay. Bakalan mo si Bibi. Bakalan mo si Bibi. Bakalan mo si Baba. Burger. Bakalan mo si Ano. Bukod ka. Bukod ka. Hi, Cliff Maven. Hi, Cliff Maven. Thank you sa 6 million. Hi, Cliff Maven. Good afternoon. Ha? Patatap kay ano? Akay nagibig si Dasi. Bakit? Ha? Yan ang gusto mo. Burger. Dad, tiyan na lang kung baka kayo pag-ano na si Kuya Peanut at burger daw. Dito ka maano para ipaglintaan na Dulce. Salamat, tiyan. Magpili, wala kayong sakyan. Thank you, Sase. Kanina. Nice. Patamsak. Thank you. 7 million in the house. Salamat sa heart dyan. Hello, ay, Baba! Ito, yung living. Ito. Oops. Thank you for the thumbs up. Jose Maria 1. Dust Hunter. Hi there. Jump in to say hello from Sydney, Australia. I am new to your channel. I subscribe and hit the like. I do have a lots of ghost hunting videos. Okay, I will subs you that. Thank you, Ghost Hunter. Jason.
Okay na.
Ay, ako, di pwede. Nagano ka na kanina.
Ano lang sa'yo mo donut?
Donut na lang. No. Donut na lang, donut.
Donut na yun.
Oh, sige, donut na lang. Tama yan. Kato na, binigyan ka.
Tita Julia, kay
Thank you, Jason, Ghost Hunter. I will visit your channel. Thank you po. I'm from Philippines. Yan. La. I subscribe. Thank you so much. Thank you. Welcome, Jason Ghost Hunter. Thank you so much. Welcome. I will subscribe. Subscribe. Thank you. Yan. La. Salamat. Tita Vicky Mix Vlog. Hi, Tita Vicky. Magandang hapon po sa'yo, idol. Magandang hapon din. Magandang hapon din. Dan Tamsak Tikit, idol. Salamat po. Bisitahin ko mamaya, Tita Vicky Mix Vlog. Salamat. Tita Vicky Mix Vlog. Watching here in Pisa, Italy. Wow! Pisa, Italy. Ang layo. Malayo. The Pisa, Italy. Very malayo. Aray. MLS Super. Everyone. Hi. Thank you, Tita. Kumusta yung Italy natin dyan? Kumusta yung Italy natin dyan? Thank you po, Tita Vicky Mix Vlog. I'll guys. Mainit dito. Mainit dito sa Pilipinas. Very hot. Hot weather. Upside down, bouncing up the coin. Inside out, just feeling, just no clue what I should do. Just go crazy. Meh. Hapon na. Ugly Charlotte. Hi. Agdish, Jagdish. Good afternoon. Agdish and Jagdish is same. Happy Wednesday. Happy Wednesday to Agdish. Where are you from, Agdish? Jagdish. Where are you from? GP the Pirate. Wishing you blessed. Good afternoon from England. Hi, GP the Pirate. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for visiting my live. Salamat po. From England. Wow. Wish I will visit you there. I will visit England, I mean. Hello Jagdish. Angel from Angel Jagdish. Kalingap Awi. Hi po Kalingap Awi. Salamat. Yan, la. Happy Wednesday po. Salamat po. Salamat sa nag-thumbs up. Thank you for the 9 million people in the house. Salamat. Mahapon na ulit. Salamat sa inyo, guys. Thank you, guys, watching. Thank you for watching po. Salamat. Kumusta kayo? Kumusta? Thumbs up 3. Thank you, Jagdish. I like your video. Thank you. Yan, la. Salamat. I still good morning here. Okay. Good morning there in England. GP the Pirate. Pirate. Why pirate? Thank you so much for the thumbs up, guys. Salamat. How's your day? Thank you so much for the heart dyan. Thank you, JP. Thank you po. Thank you so much. Salamat. Thank you po. Salamat. Upside down, dancing in the car. Upside down. Wait lang po. Umiikot lang yung vlog ko dito sa loob ng bahay. Kasi nga eh. Oh my God. Nawala na ang aking ano. Ang aking. Wait po. Okay. Hi. Thank you for the 8 million. Sa 8 million, ayan. Kumusta? Kumusta kayo? Coffee break. Let's coffee. Kape. Kahit mainit. Coffee is life. Kape. Kape po. Kape tayo. Thank you. See your short video. Thank you so much, Jagdish. Later, watch your short video. Salamat. Thank you. Nice short video agriculture. Salamat. I love farming. GP the Pirate. When I come to Philippines, what is your one must-see local places? I'm here in Bicol, so proud to see Bicolana. You need to see the Volcan Mayon here and the beautiful nature here in Bicol Province, Philippines. GP the Pirate, hope you visit the Bicol Province here in the Philippines. I'm proud of to say it's a very beautiful place here in the Philippines. One of the most beautiful place here in the Philippines. GP the Pirate. I promote. Jagdish, I like so much agriculture video. Thank you so much, Jagdish. Thank you so much. I love farmer. The hard worker. The farmer. Very hard worker here in the Philippines. The farmer. So maybe I advocate the farmer. If one day I have a, hope if you visit here, GT the Pirate here in the Philippines, hope you visit Bicol Province, Philippines. Philippines. Actually, very beautiful place. One of the most of beautiful place here. But some other places too. That's great, Bragg. There looks many beautiful places there. Yeah, here is a very many beautiful places. Beautiful places here. So I think England is beautiful places there too. Lots of beautiful places in England. I think. Umiikot talaga yung vlog ko lang dito sa loob ng bahay. Thank you for the Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you po guys. Salamat po. Kape tayo. Kape tayo. Ayan tayo. Tayo. Let's take a coffee. Guys. Yung Cinderella, Nash! Umiikot lang talaga. I am lucky to live in one of the national parks here, so there are many unspoiled beautiful places. I'm not a big city lover. Okay. I'm not a big city lover. Philippines is not a big city, love. It's not a big city. It just looks like an island. But so many places, beautiful place here. Coffee, Sika coffee. Nagpaani ka pala.
Hindi, bukutan mo kaya doon.
Ha? Oo, 260.
Lagi pa ako kuyelo kay makalong-kulong sa liho. Mama, tagi man din. Sa liho man.
Nagbaba daw man.
Ano na, please. Please. Masakay na kita. Yaman mo, tagi man, jeez.
Doon 16. Doon.
Tagi ako, jeez. Mama.
Ano naman ang Jis?
Mama. Ang mabakal pagkaon.
Ay nako, nagkaong ka na. O, kadina. My bucket list of places to see and visit there is getting bigger and bigger.
Kulang sa akin.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Kaibigan mo lang ako. What, you want visit here in Philippines? Do you want? Do you like? Aray ko. Ara na. Nagorola. JP. Do you like visit her in the Philippines? Ever. Maybe you like America, like that big city.
Yeah.
The bucket list. Switzerland is one of beautiful country. The landscape. So beautiful landscape. USA doesn't interest me, but I will be down there in about a month's time. Okay. Hope you visit here in Bicol. Gippy. How I wish you visit here. Nasaan? Kape. Coffee po. What you prepare country? Come to visit, maybe Switzerland. James Vlog. Hi, James Vlog.
Ha? Ay, naku nga. Saan ako makatalim? Sabi mo po taon.
Binakal. Yum. Do you remember me? I remember you, Yum. How are you, Yum?
Mas. Baka nung yung sa'yo mo, yung bakal mo. Ay, yung bibi yung bakal mo.
Badil naman. Kanakan mo yan. Taga saan ka, madam? Madam talaga. Taga Bicol. Where is Greg? Bakit mo nahanap si Greg? Nandito. Greg is maybe he's still sleeping. Thank you for the thumbs up. 5 thumbs up. Greg is still sleeping. Thank you for the thumbs up. Take thumbs up na. You mean 5 thumbs up? 6 na. Already 6 na, Yum. I just subscribe to your channel. Which of your videos are you proudest of? Not proudest of, but I will I will do my best. Not yet visiting Bolton, ngayon. I have just subscribed to your channel. Which of your videos are proudest of?
Kana na kayo talangga. Kana na bang, kana na. Kana na. Kana na bang, bang.
Wait lang. Wait.
Ay, kana ay. Talangga. Kana kayo talangga. Kana, kana. Dili ba niyo kukuha ang love ka ni Dada? Kanya, kanya na. Kanya na.
Naka-live. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Yum Yum. What is your subscriber goal? My goal is monetize channel.
Toto, di ka na sa magbakal ha. Toto, di ka na sa magbakal ha.
Sabi mo, dapat ka ko na magpapasaya kang dada ng kan mama mo. Masaya ba si mga dada mo sa owan? Ay, magpasaya kang dada.
Nag-stroll dun mo kanina. Kaya para pagabot nga niya, happy ka.
Ay, sabi mo pantulog. Ayaw akong Dada.
Mama? Diri ka mag-ayaw ka, pero diri ka man sa mabakalisan. Bye, Yum.
Nagkiri kita o Julio.
Man. Julio, basitan mo na. Paano mo? Nayadi ka as parang may hilo yada pang makulog sa antiyan mo. Asay ha. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for the heart dyan. Sa mga heart, sa silent viewers, thank you so much. It helps me a lot. Hi, Yan, la la la. Where are you from, Yan? Yan, la la la. Bakit ganun? Thank you for the 5 months.
5 months.
Hi po. Shut up and dance with me. Kapaghalo na ako maglalo. Parang nilan lang talaga ako na gano'n. Naka 1K subs ako. Naka 1K views ako. For the first time. Ang hilo ko lang. Kung ba talagang pakuha yung Pagtutulo ka oras. Yan. Bakit nag-delete ka? Thank you.
Kumato mga yung vlog.
Mabalibait lang. I have to get my day started properly. I have to chat again soon. Bye-bye. GP the Pirate, thank you so much. Bye. Take care. I hope we chat again soon. We will, yes.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for the heart. Tama na yun Hindi mo na bagaan yun. Akin nagbakal ka soon. Sino ano sa imo nagbakal ka soon? Atagpira yun.
Aji.
Akin nagbakal.
Niya, uto.
Ang kwarta. Dinhali ang kwarta.
Natagilad.
Oh, Trans, di ka na sumipakala. Ha?
Skyflex.
Parang tumad ka na.
Kahit
Hindi ka sumugampi yan. Sinama mo.